Hi, this is Madam Pamita, and I hope you enjoy this clip from my live magic Q&A. If you'd like to see the full recording of the live magic Q&A, you can do so. All you have to do is be a part of my coven. And to do that, all you have to do is click the link below or go to patreon.com/Madam Pamita. I hope you become a part of my coven and enjoy this clip.
Nan says, question, I am spring cleaning. You're early for spring cleaning. And I'm thinking of combining a couple of shrines onto the same altar table. When I've asked the deities if it's okay, I've not recognized any response. Any suggestions? They didn't say no. That's a great question. I think most spirits are, to be honest, in my opinion, most spirits are going to be fine with each other, unless you get super opposite spirits. I mean, maybe, I don't know if I'd have an altar to the devil and Jesus, maybe. I'm trying to think of some real opposite spirits, right? But even that, I think, they probably could have things to talk about. I mean, I think about what little I've seen of like Good Omens. So I don't know. They probably would have some kind of, discussion or whatever. But if you did not get an answer, and you asked and you didn't see any signs or anything like that, why not work with a pendulum and ask them with a pendulum? Because you will get a yes or a no there. So if you're looking at two deities, let's say Hecate and Apollo, I'm trying to find some that are kind of maybe opposite-y, kind of. So I have an altar to Hecate, I have an altar to Apollo, and I want to bring them together. And so I would first ask one of them, Hecate, are you okay if I put your altar together with Apollo's altar, and see what she says? Then ask Apollo, are you okay if I bring your altar over together with Hecate's, and see what he has to say? And you'll get a definite yes or no that way. And then you'll know if they both say yes, great, then you can do it. If one says yes and the other says no, you're going to have to figure out a new solution. Other alternate solutions, if you're running out of space or you want to make new space, is to make smaller altars. We've got, an altar doesn't have to be a full table of something. It could be, like a little section of like a side table next to your couch or next to your bed. It could be a windowsill. It could be on a bookshelf. It doesn't have to be, you could have a little shelf on the wall. They have lots of cute things. I mean, even if you go to a thrift store or Target, you can find little wall shelves that you hook on the wall, and you could put a little altar up there. In fact, that's really done in Slavic magic. The home altar, called the pokut in Ukrainian, is on the wall. So it's like a little shelf on the wall. I have one in my kitchen that is where you put all your stuff. So you can find other ways of working around that, and if you'd like to clear that space, and they don't want to be together. So don't give up, and don't think, well, I have to keep it the way it's always been. You could consolidate, make smaller, and maybe put it up on a wall or a shelf, a bookshelf or something like that, instead of taking up your table space. So that's maybe a good solution for that issue.